Today I thought I'd just give you a quick little instructional video on a very basic thing you should be able to do yourself, and you should do it fairly frequently, probably every time you fill up. And that's, how do I check my oil? Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So on your vehicle, and you might want to check your owner's manual, normally in a brighter color they're going to have an engine oil level stick, an indicator. Some of the European cars don't have one. We're not going to cover that on the video today. I want you to check your car cold because that's always the safest thing for you. And the engine has to be off. It should be off for at least a couple of minutes. We basically wipe the stick clean. We stick it in the tube all the way down, pull it back out, and then we look at where the oil level is on the stick. There should be a low mark and a high mark. Anywhere in there is a safe range to operate your engine. If it's at the low mark, that means it's about 1 quart lower than all the way full. So if you check this about every every fuel tank fill up, you'll always make sure that you have oil in your car and it's protected. So I hope this has been helpful to you. And thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.